What's up, guys? Back with another LeetCode Path to Pro video. It is Sunday, April 23rd. It is actually Sunday, it's not like past midnight or whatever, like it was last night. But, yeah, today I'm going to be solving another problem. It's the first linked list problem. So far I've done pretty much array stuff. I think maybe a graph problem. I don't know. But linked list, good. I need to branch out. I'm not great at arrays, but definitely that's what I'm most comfortable with. So yeah, so we're gonna do 83, remove duplicates from sorted list. Let me delete this stuff. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Let's see if Sean Prashad has anything to say. If given a link less than 2 pointers, I guess you could, because I was thinking use a set and we just go through the linked list and append a set, but that would take, obviously we're going to have to go through the linked list, so it's going to be O(n). But if we don't use a set, if we use a set, that's going to be extra memory. But if we use 2 pointers, could we do it so that like let's say, let's use the second example, it's a little bit bigger. So we got our head, and we say, okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. This is a good example. So we have our pointer, we have our L pointer, and our right pointer. Let's call them slow and fast. We could call it current next. I feel like that's a common pattern people do. It's like come. Cur next. Okay, so and we set next to be the first. So we're saying if current equals next, should we remove current? We could set, yeah. We could remove current. So we move current here. We X out that. Remove next here. So current next. Now. Okay. They don't equal. They don't equal, so we can just move current next. They don't equal, just move current next. Now they do equal, we move current, and we delete 3. What happens if we have another 3? So now we have current next, we move next. And then we move current here. Yeah, this is gonna take me a bit for sure to figure this out for real, but I feel like that could work with 2 pointers. I just don't know a lot of like the syntax stuff. I want to look at some of the solutions to see suppose memory like. Okay. So yeah, let's do that. So we got current equals head, and next. Well, we can't really call it next. What's a different name we could use? Forward. No, that's not. What do we call it? NXT. Next equals head dot next. Okay. How do you loop through a linked list? Okay. Use a for loop. Can you use the like length in range? Length? Can you use all that? I guess that's what I'm asking. How did this person do it? Okay. So while they exist. Okay. So we'll say while current and NXT. So while they exist, if current dot val equals NXT dot val. So we're gonna check the values. If they equal, what do we want to remove? How to remove values in linked list. Python. Wait, do you have to delete the pointers? I don't think there is a simple deletion. Right? 'Cause I think so. It's just linked like this. So if we have 1, 2, and our current is here, and our next is here. Yeah, so the equal we set current equals current dot next. Would that fix it? And next equals next dot next. Like, is that gonna? Because this way we're saying this line I don't know, that doesn't seem right. Like, how do we set the pointer correctly? Let's just try it and say else. Oh, do we set it equal to next? And then else we're saying current equals current. Current dot next. Next equals next dot next. And what do we return? What do we return? Just return. Do we return anything? Probably. Return head. Oh, because yeah, you just return the start and then. Okay. We did not successfully remove one. And here, we didn't successfully. Okay, so we're not removing anything. I feel like there's definitely a way. So she's just using one pointer, I think. But I think you could do this with 2 pointers. But I want to. So, what could... Next dot next. Well, let's do it. Just add a bunch of nexts. Can't you do that? We have to do this. Non-type object. Let's see. What does... So it returns the next item. Yeah. We want to set current equal to next. I'm confused. Well, now and now the next. Let's see. Is there a 2-pointer? I mean, maybe you can't do this with 2. I'm sure you can. It's not head return yet. So this is base, edge case. Start equals previous equals head. What? Current equals head dot next. Previous is head. Previous this. So I think we take out that. We got ourselves in a loop. We got ourselves in a loop. Current dot next. what next equal next dot next. That's kind of confusing. Maybe NXT is not the best. Are we still not deleting stuff? No. It's frustrating. We say print. Let's also print the current. And then you're gonna let us do that? Yeah, so that is too. So we want to set current. Is that why? Because us, yeah, no 2-pointer crap. It's just not gonna. It's not doing it. Long current. If current.val equals current.next.val, we want to set current equals current.next, I think. I think this is going to work. I think we need to do current equals head.next. Or current. I will say if not head. So in this case, now we have head of current. We want to set head equals current.next, else. Whoa, so why did it not work on these? Dude, yeah, clearly need to get better at like this, because this is confusing. Now equals head. Just change it like this. It's like a loop. Set head. Current next. Why is it giving me none type? What's going on here? Go ahead and now. Is that the only reason why? Because we weren't checking to see if there's an actual value after first. If we're right next to the file. So we don't need this. Yeah, we don't want to change the head, I guess. Is that the correct? I want to check real quick to see if that's the correct base case. I think it was this one. If head is none, return head. So that's a little different. It's not head, return head. I don't think that makes any sense. Okay, but yeah. So that's like a one-pointer solution. I guess, is that considered two-pointer? Because we're using the head as like a pointer. I mean, the head's not. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty fast. It should be, because it should just be O of n. Where n is the length of the linked list, and the memory shouldn't, yeah, like we're not using any extra memory.